in the District Court of the Territorial Administration of Survival Mode. Case No. 2025 CV0415. The people of the BLOCKVERSE. Represented by the Office of Environmental Compliance and Terrain Integrity, URECTI. Plaintiff. V. Player entity, Subject 427b. Of no fixed biome, currently residing within chunk, 43-17. Defendant. Formal complaint. Pursuant to Articles 2 through 7 of the Code of Constructive Conduct, CCC, and the Biome Preservation Statute, BPS, the plaintiff brings the following charges against the defendant for violations committed within the jurisdiction of the Overworld realm. I. Jurisdiction and venue. This court has jurisdiction under Article 1(3) of the Realm Enforcement Charter, granting authority over all terrain alterations and biome resource extract ions occurring within the public domain of generated worlds. Venue is proper in the District of Survival Mode, as all material acts and omissions occurred within said territory. 2 parties. Plaintiff, the people of the BLOCKVERSE, acting through the URECTI, an agency empowered to ensure lawful construction, natural resource management, and preservation of aesthetic terrain continuity. Defendant, Subject 427b, a self-identified individual operator with no registered building license or biome stewardship certificate. 3 Statement of facts. On or about cycle 187, time index 642, URECTI field auditors observed the defendant placing a sequence of 27 dirt blocks and 14 cobblestone blocks within a naturally generated meadow biome, coordinates x equals 184, z equals -72. Said placement occurred without a registered block placement permit, Form 44B, or prior notification to the Biome Alteration Registry. Subsequent aerial survey confirmed the erection of an unapproved structure resembling a starter hut, partially obstructing a migratory path of passive fauna, species, ovine, subtype white. On or about cycle 188, time index 910, the defendant was further observed felling 3 oak trees within a Class C reforestation zone, contrary to BPS 5b, and failing to replant saplings within the statutory period of 1 in-game day. The defendant did not provide documentation of tool degradation offset tax, durability compensatory levy, DCL3, as required under CCC 12. 4 charges. Count I. Unauthorized block placement. In violation of CCC 4a, the defendant did willfully and without authorization alter terrain by placing blocks inconsistent with the surrounding biome's elevation schema. Count 2. Unlicensed deforestation. In violation of BPS 5b, the defendant did remove arboreal entities within a protected biome without a forestry clearance token, FCT. Count 3. Obstruction of natural aesthetics. In violation of CCC 9c, the defendant did construct a structure of non-conforming design, thereby lowering the environmental beauty index below 0.75 for the affected chunk. V. Evidence. Photographic map scan, Exhibit A, depicting the unlicensed structure. Sapling density report, Exhibit B. Witness statements from 2 villager entities, IDs V1021, V1074, confirming tree removal. Soil sample registry, Exhibit C, indicating mixed cobblestone intrusion. 6. Relief sought. The plaintiff requests that the court issue the following orders. Immediate demolition of the unlicensed structure and restoration of the affected terrain to its prior natural generation state. Payment of damages equivalent to 64 emeralds for biome disruption. Probationary monitoring for a period of 5 in-game days, during which the defendant shall refrain from placing or removing any block within a protected zone. Mandatory attendance at a 1-hour training session on sustainable resource management, SRM 101. 7. Conclusion. Wherefore, the plaintiff respectfully prays that this court enter judgment in its favor on all counts and grant such other and further relief as may be just and proper under the laws of the BLOCKVERSE. Dated, November 5, 2025. Filed by Office of Environmental Compliance and Terrain Integrity. By _________________________________________________________________________________________________________________________Agatha Redstone, Senior Counsel for Biome Preservation. Seal of the District Court of Survival Mode.